Hello guys and gals, welcome to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. You know me, I'm Steven. In this episode we're going to be doing the final reveal of my 1951 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible build by AMT in 1/25th scale. Here we have a look at the top-up version of the car. Yeah, I was really pleased with this kit that I had that option on it. When everything's said and done, I'll display it on the shelf with the top up. I can always take the top off the vehicle, when I want to look inside, and we can go ahead and do that now as we're talking about it. So let me take the top off, set that aside. So here's the look. Very sleek and good profile. I went ahead and did the interior similar to a 1957 Chevrolet I saw online. It was silver with, I believe, a one-of-one car. I believe it was the only single-tone 57 Chevy made. So I like the way it looked with the white, gray, and black interior. So I kind of mimicked that on this 1951 build. But I want to take the time to thank everybody that's tuned in to this series of builds, from the unboxing through update number 1 and update number 2 and the final build here. And I have some help I need for my next series of builds, or my next build, I guess I should say. I'm kind of stuck and I want some input. So if you can put it in the comments below and let me know what you think my next build should be. So let me go ahead and get that ready and pause this video, and we'll see where we go from here. Here's the question I have. I've had this kit for a little while now, and I've been putting off building it. No particular reason why, but the 1968 Camaro Z28. And probably my biggest reason for holding off on this kit is because it seems like every Camaro that I see is a Z28, an SS, whatever, it's got stripes. And my vision of this one is probably going to be more of a plain Jane base model Chevrolet Camaro. No stripes. I have a color in mind, but in the comments below, if this is your choice to build compared to the next kit I'm going to show, let me know what color you would consider, or color combination. So let's move this one out of the way. I got this kit from Hobby Lobby. So now my wife bought me this kit. So she just picked this up the other day. She was at Hobby Lobby and she said, happy modeling. So she gave me this. I said, oh, an early Christmas present. And she said, no, not Christmas. She said, just an everyday gift. So, I was like, wow, thank you. So really cool. And I just love the classic lines of the 53 Corvette, 6-cylinder. You gotta love that. It was 300 units were produced, of the Corvette in 53. So if I do this, I might make it look more like a 54, with maybe a blue, but I really like the white. So tell me your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. I want to thank you for tuning in to this episode, and I'll see you on the next build, or the reveal of what model I'm going to build on the unboxing. Thank you.